Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all coming along for the ride. Today, we're gonna stripe a tank. You know, you can just go one color and that's kind of boring, but we're gonna add a little panache, a little style to this bike. So let's get at it. We're gonna start out with a little paint correction. I'm gonna hit it with some 1000 grit, then I'm gonna hit it with 2000 grit, then we're gonna buff. I'm correcting a bunch of dirt I got in the paint when the wind decided to kick up after the first coat. I'm switching to a finer compound and a less aggressive buffing pad to get rid of all the swirl marks and really bring out that mirror finish. Same story for the fender, just need to cut and buff. To lay out the stripes, I'm going to start with a piece of tape to mark the center line, and then I'm going to widen it on either side with a piece of 1-inch tape. Next, I'm going to use this vinyl tape, which creates a really good edge for the paint. So anything that's going to be a paint edge, I'm going to use this vinyl tape for. I want to space my pinstripes out 1/4 inch, so I'm using this 1/4 inch green tape as a spacer guide. Then back to the vinyl tape for the outside edge of the stripe. Now I can remove all the guide tape that provided the spacing, mask the 2 edges, and she's ready for paint. Same process for the rear fender. Time to remove the guide tape, mask the edges, and she's ready to go, just like the tank. Now it's time for a little color.
Well, that's a wrap, guys. Got the bodywork done on these tins in absolute record time. My dad was a body man when I was growing up, and I guess I learned more from him than I thought. All those Saturdays hanging around and playing in the cars and pretending like I was driving and shifting them must have paid off. So anyway, got them all done, and they're ready to go with that motor and that frame really quick. So thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.